Filipino has been part of history, but few any part of it. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the diversified continuous recycling municipality of Finalin, I am Hannah Miguel Tanco, but tonight, be with and demystified. For I stand and carry the image of the one and only, one of the most prominent and controversial beauty queen ever created of the Binibining Filipinas Charity Association. Opo, ako nga po, ang nag-iisang morenang kagandahan inagawan ng corona kamakailan, ngunit nagbigay ng major karangalan sa buong sambayan. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan at nisisigaw ng San Miguel, San Simon, Pampanga, none other than the Mulata Princess, Miss Maria Venus Ra. And before I leave this stage, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to leave a provoking maxim. Baklaman po kami sa inyong paningin, bakit niyo kami subukang tanggapin at mahalin, kundi po kayo liligaya sa aming piling sa kanyang kamilisanin. Once again, this is Miss Hannah Miguel Tanco, your Venus Ra, from the bottom of my heart. May God bless us all, and I love you all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1, Maria Venus Ra. Hold your breath to the lovely candidate number 2, Miss Iwa Moto.
The greatest power of a man is the power of prayers. Through God, nothing is impossible. Greetings, welcome and my good evening, all the way from the diversified municipality of Minalin. My real name is Rosy Laos Garcia. I am 20-year-old, a graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication at the University of the Assumption. But tonight, allow me to carry up the image of the one and only, one of the finest beauty ever created of the Philippine showbiz industry, and one of the most prominent and controversial TV personality. Ang minsan yun na pong hinangaan at hinasuklaman. Opo, tama po kayo. Ako nga po, si Binibining Iwa Moto. Na nag-iiwan po ng katagang bakla. Siya rin, bayot man po ang itawag niyo sa amin, isa lamang pong sinisigurado ko. Amin ang gabing ito, tagahanga lang namin kayo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 2, Miss Iwa Moto. Let's meet our candidate number 3.
And the history is a special thing to remember. Every moment, every second are meant to be time. So if I will be the lucky one to be chosen as part of this pageant. Well, speaking, ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you is Francis Cabanis Espiritu from Sakadipal, Pampanga. But as this evening Now may to stand by the name of Miss Barbie Corteza. Maraming salamat po. At aking pong iniiwan ang katagang, di bali na pong mabugbog, basta't makatikim lang ng hotdog. Salamat po.
Thank you, candidate number 3, Miss Barbie Corteza. Let's meet our candidate number 4.
If people try to pull you down, that simply means you're on the top of them. Always remember that insecurity resides in the heart of an empty mind. Greetings, welcomes, and in between, all the way from a progressive city, also known as the Christmas capital of the Philippines and the business capital of Pampanga. My real name is Barbie de Lucerna Fosbana in real life, but for tonight, allow me to carry the image of your one and only, irreplaceable, single lady. Yes, you're a beautiful nightmare. That is me, Beyonce knows. People gather here together. I came here to prove that black is beautiful, expensive, and elegant. And before I leave this part of the stage, allow me to give you a provoking Maxine. Ba, baby, bobo. Ba, bakla ko pong may bayit, bakla kong di nagul, bakla na ako rin pong mate. Be, lumos na akong tatangko, niya nga balon ng bakla kung di nagul. B, pinitinda ko pukit ang babo na ning saging, yang arapat dahang maglandi, king gulot ning bali. At bo, opo, bobula po rin taong sasabing ding bakla, salot laging lipunan. At bo, ito pong pangalan na pong along sinabi ko, naman po totoo, ay ni Papay totoo. Bo, bo, bo. Buto, yung pantunan ko. At nibaliktad siya man po yung mundo, buto pa rin yung pantunan ko. Kaya naman kalalakihan, buto, no ka rin kayo. At yun ako. Once again, this is Beyonce Knows, your candidate number 4, saying good evening, enjoy the night show, and I love you all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 4. Now hold your breath to candidate number 5.